Hello, Math Adventurers, and welcome to our addition adventure. I'm so glad you're here with me today. We are going to have so much fun learning all about adding numbers.
All right, first up, let's start with a little counting challenge. Take a good look at the screen. How many colorful pencils can you see? Ready? Let's count them out loud together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, 4 pencils. You are off to an awesome start.
You guys are amazing counters. So today, we're going to take those awesome counting skills of yours and learn something super cool. We're going to learn exactly how to add things together. So, you might be thinking, what is adding anyway? Well, that's exactly what we're about to find out. It's kind of like being a math detective, and we're about to solve our first case. So, check this out. Adding is actually super simple. It really just means you're putting groups of things together to see how many you have in all. Yep, that's it. We're just finding the grand total. Are you ready to try our very first adding problem? I bet you are. All right, have a look. Our problem is 2 plus 3. Let's crack this one together. Okay, let's imagine these numbers are some fun shapes. Let's say triangles. So first we've got 2 triangles. 1, 2. Simple enough. Then we add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for the really fun part. Let's count every single one of them. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 triangles altogether. That means 2 plus 3 is 5. Woohoo, we did it! You totally nailed it. Okay, you're learning so quickly, I think you're ready for 2 new super-duper special math words. The numbers you're adding, like our 2 and our 3, they have a special name. They're called add-ins. Can you say that? Add-ins. Awesome. And the answer, the total you get, that's called the sum. So the add-ins make the sum. Pretty cool, right? All right, math adventurers, are you ready to learn a speedy trick for adding? It's a little secret called counting on, and it's going to make you feel like a math superhero. Let's do it. Okay, I've got to say, this is one of my favorite ways to add because it's so quick. We're going to solve this problem, 3 plus 5, using our new counting on superpower. It's kind of like you get a head start in a race, which is always fun. Okay, so here's the secret. First, we take the first number, 3, and we lock it in our brain. Got it? Okay, 3 is in there. Now, we just need to count up 5 more spots. So after 3 comes, count with me now, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We landed on 8. And just like that, we know 3 plus 5 equals 8. See? That was lightning fast.
Wow, you've already learned so much. I think you're ready. It is your turn to be the addition star. You're so ready for this. Let's tackle a few problems. What do you say? Okay, here's your first challenge. Take a look at these pencils. We've got a group of 4 over here, and we're adding another group of 4 over there. So, what is 4 plus 4? Remember, you can count every single pencil, or you can try that awesome counting on trick we just learned. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to think. No rush, you've totally got this. All right, have you got it? The answer is 8. Yes, awesome job. High five. 4 plus 4 equals 8. You're doing amazing. Okay, you are on a roll. Let's do one more. This time the question is, what is 1 plus 8? What do you think the sum is going to be? All right, put that thinking cap on nice and snug. Think, think, think. I know you can figure this one out. Okay, are you ready? The answer is 9. Yes, you got it. 1 plus 8 is 9. That is absolutely fantastic work today. Wow. Just take a second and think about all the problems you just solved. That is so cool. That officially makes you an addition star. Let's do a super quick recap of all the awesome stuff we learned. So what did we figure out today on our big addition adventure? Well, we learned that adding is really just putting groups together, right? And we learned those 2 super cool words. The numbers we add are called add-ins, and the answer, or the total, is called the sum. And best of all, we practiced 2 awesome ways to find the answer. We can count all the objects one by one, or we can use our counting on superpower to go even faster.
Seriously, you did such great work today, Math Adventures. I am so, so proud of all of you. You worked really hard and you are becoming absolutely amazing at adding.
Okay, before you go, I have one last secret mission for you if you choose to accept it. I want you to look around your room right now. Can you find some things to add together? Maybe you can add up all your toy cars, or maybe you can add your blue crayons and your red crayons. See, the addition adventure never has to stop. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and remember, keep on counting.